What is deshedding? This is the process of removing hair from your pet's undercoat, which was not or could not have been completely removed by brushing. Normal brushing primarily focuses on removing hair and debris from the top layer of the fur, the guard coat. By frequently deshedding, the amount of fur your pet sheds will be greatly reduced as you have removed the fur from the undercoat before it had a chance to shed. I will now demonstrate how to deshed a coat. 1. Check for any skin problems, open wounds or sores. 2. To deshed a dog, the coat must be completely dry, so do it preferably before you bathe her. 3. Make sure there are no mats or knots in the coat. If so, remove with a dematting tool. 4. Start by brushing from the neck down the back to the tail, angling the deshedding tool's teeth in the direction of hair growth. 5. Brush with firm, gentle and long strokes. 6. Distribute pressure evenly on the tool, not too hard, in order to not scratch the skin. 7. Remove hair from the tool when it clumps up on the teeth. Here are some tips to remember when deshedding a coat. Do not apply too much pressure. Never brush against the growth direction, for example going from the tail towards the head. Do not start deshedding a dog before you have removed all visible mats and hair tangles. If not done, your client will experience pain and discomfort. Do not use the tool excessively in one area, but spread it evenly over the work surface. Avoid using a deshedding tool on the stomach or groin area. Rather opt for a rubber grooming glove or a curry brush. Once done, remove all the hair from the blade and sanitize it. If this is not done, skin diseases or illnesses can be transferred to other dogs.